In today's video, I'll teach you how to install Kayo Sports app. So if you want to install the Kayo Sports application, it is actually very simple. If you're using Apple device, what you have to do is simply open App Store. But if you're using the Android device, what you have to do is open Play Store on your device. You can see over here, Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Kayo Sports. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is find the application for Kayo Sports and tap on it. Right now this application is not available in my region, but you'll be able to find the application for Kayo Sports. It has the green logo. So simply tap on the application. After that you'll be led to another interface. In another interface you'll be able to find this option for install. Tap on it, wait for a while, and your application will be installed and you'll be able to use it. So that is how you install Kayo Sports app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.